Hello children, today we are going to continue our second chapter, that is Inside Our Earth. And in the first video we already discussed about the crust, mantle and core. Okay, and today we will discuss about types of rocks. Children, earth crust. Okay, this earth crust is mainly made up of three types of rocks. Okay, that is igneous rocks, metamorphic sedimentary rocks and the metamorphic rocks. Okay, earth crust everywhere. Okay, earth crust is made up of only three types of rocks: igneous, sedimentary and the metamorphic rocks. And here we will discuss all about the rocks. Okay, children, we know that rocks are very hard and sometimes it is very soft, and rocks have their own color, texture and hardness, okay, and softness. Children, let's come to the first, that is igneous rocks. Okay, igneous rock is derived from the Latin word ignis, which means fire. Okay, igneous rocks derived from the Latin word which means fire. Okay, ignis means fire. And how igneous rocks formed? Okay, how it takes place? Okay, children, to know about the formation of the igneous rock, we have to come on the interior of the earth. Okay, we know that earth interior is divided into crust, mantle and core. Okay, and mantle, okay, magma are found in the mantle. Okay, and when the magma come down from the surface by the volcano, okay, by the volcanic eruption, that time lava, okay, when magma okay lie inside the earth, it is known as magma, but when it come to the surface of the earth, it is known as lava. Okay, when the magma come out on the surface of the earth, it cools very rapidly, so that the crystal of the igneous rock is very fine, because we know that on the surface of the earth temperature is low as compared to the beneath of the earth. Okay, so here lava molten material cools down very rapidly. Okay, and these material, okay, molten material after converted into the igneous rock. So how igneous rock forms? By the volcanic eruption. Okay, so it is also known as primary rock. It is also known as primary rock, because we will discuss that sedimentary rock and the metamorphic rock formed by these igneous rocks. So it is also known as primary rock. And children, igneous rocks are two types. First, intrusive and the second is extrusive. Okay, first come to the extrusive igneous rock and the second one is extrusive and the intrusive. Okay, children, when lava come out, okay, magma come out and it solidify and cool on the surface of the earth, okay, it is known as what? Extrusive. And some magma are not able, okay, to come on the surface, and that time they remain in the beneath of the earth. Okay, and it found in the vein of volcano, okay, inside the earth, so that it is known as intrusive. Okay, extrusive igneous rock and the intrusive igneous rock. And the example of extrusive igneous rock is the basalt. Okay, basalt is the example of extrusive igneous rock, and granite. Granite is the example of intrusive igneous rock. Okay, it is more, it is fine, it have fine crystal, and it have big crystals are found because it takes time to for cooling. Okay, because it is found in the interior part of the earth. It found in the interior of part of the earth, and here temperature is high. So compared to the extrusive igneous rock, intrusive igneous rock takes time to for cooling. Okay, for cooling. So that's why the crystal are found in the big forms, and here crystals are found in the small form. So basalt, Deccan trap. Okay, we know that India's this part is made up of the volcanic material, that is from basalt rocks are found, mostly found in the Deccan trap. Okay, then come to the next characteristic of the igneous rock. What are the characteristics? First, it is hard and the compact. It is very hard, and the igneous rocks are very hard and the compact, and it do not occur in the layers. Igneous rocks do not found in the layers. Okay, it is not found in the layers, and it do not have remains of animals and the plants. Okay, igneous rock do not having remains of plants and animals, and it does not allow the percolate of the water inside them. And most valuable minerals are found in the igneous rock, that is iron, gold, silver and aluminium. These are the minerals which found in the igneous rock. Okay, that is about the igneous rock. Then come to the next one, that is sedimentary rocks. Okay, children, I told you that igneous rock, okay, sedimentary rocks and the metamorphic rocks are formed by the igneous rock, and so it is also known as primary rock. How? When the children, when the rocks, okay, when the rocks weathered by the wind and water, then it will convert into the small pieces of rock, right? That means, children, like a water cycle. Okay, weathering is the process which occurred in the everywhere, and due to the weathering process, rock, okay, big rock broken down into the rock fragment. Okay, and then these rock fragments are eroded and transported by the agents like water, then wind, then glaciers. Okay, then these rock fragment, okay, eroded and transported by the this water and the wind. Okay, and it deposit in the depression. Okay, it is deposit in the depression, and then layer by layer again it is found in the layer, and it is the continuous process. And after the sedimentation of these rock, okay, sedimentation of these rock, sedimentary rocks formed. Okay, igneous rock, then rocks will convert into the small fragment, then it will erode and transport by the agent like river, like water, wind and glacial, and then it will deposit in the depression, and then the sedimentary rocks will found. Okay, that is the process. And then come to the sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks are more softer. Okay, it is soft in the nature, and it is found in the horizontal layer. I told you it is found in the layer. Okay, it is found in the horizontal layer, And remains, animals remains are found, okay, because it is transported by the water, and when it is transported, it also carry the remains of animals and plants, okay. So horizontal remains of animals and plants are found here, and it is also most valuable minerals are found in these sedimentary rocks like sandstone, limestone and the coal. That is about the sedimentary rock. Then come to the last one, that is metamorphic rocks. Children, that these metamorphic rocks is formed by the igneous rock and the sedimentary rock. Okay, igneous rock and the sedimentary rocks. Listen how. We know that when these intrusive igneous rock, okay, it is found in the beneath the earth, okay, and after many years, due to the temperature and the pressure, these intrusive igneous rock convert into the metamorphic rock, and it is metamorphic rock. And the features, okay, the character and the most important characteristic of these metamorphic rocks, that limestone, okay, it is more harder and it is more compact as compared to the igneous rock. And limestone, due to the duration of time, okay, and the long period of time, limestone convert into the marble, shall convert into the slate, and the granite convert into the gneiss, and the sandstone convert into the quartzite, okay. And it is very hard, and there is no empty space between the rocks, okay. That is about the types of rocks. And children, and rock cycle, okay, rock cycle is a continuous process like a water cycle, okay. And by the rock cycle, igneous rock, then the igneous rock, sedimentary rock and the metamorphic rock, okay. Igneous rock convert into the sedimentary rock, then sedimentary rock convert into the igneous metamorphic rock, and again metamorphic rock convert into the igneous rock, and okay, and igneous rock formed by the magma, and again sedimentary rock convert into the magma, okay. Children, igneous rock, through the igneous rock we know that by the transportation, by the weathering, erosion and transportation, okay, sedimentary rocks form, and after that sedimentary and igneous rocks, okay, convert into the metamorphic rock, and again metamorphic rock convert into the magma, and then again magma convert into the igneous rock. There is no ending and the starting process of the igneous of the rock cycle, okay. It is a continuous process and it always takes place, okay. That is about the types of rocks. Thank you.